Hi everyone, welcome to Spartan Summit. We would just wait for a couple of minutes before we start today's sessions. I hope you're having a great time. Do let me know in the chat if you can see where are you joining from, and do give me a thumbs up if you're able to hear me, of course. Awesome, I can see Delhi, Bangalore. We'll again wait for a couple of seconds. Just want to make sure that we are giving time for everyone to join in before we start the day. Hey, Anas. Awesome. Great. Let me get started. Hey, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today. I'm Kavya, Director of Product Marketing at TestMe AI. Whether you're joining, with the first coffee in your hand, or say it's middle of your work day, and you've taken, you have of course taken time to join this summit today. Welcome. Welcome to Spartan Summit 2026. Today, this screen is your front row seat. Many of you, of course, have known us as Lambda which was built to give developers and quality engineers like yourself infrastructure to test faster and ship confidently. Early this year, we basically evolved to TestMu AI, marking a bold step toward forward, especially as we transitioned from a cloud testing platform to the world's first full stack agentic AI quality engineering platform. Bit of a background for those of you who did not know much about TestMu AI or Lambda Test. So the organization was founded in 2018, and we rapidly became one of the most trusted names in cloud-based test infrastructure as well as orchestration ecosystem. We built a scalable high performance test cloud that removed flakiness, improved developer feedback loops, and drastically accelerated release velocity. In 2022, we began a deep transformation, moving deep into agentic AI across our products and workflows to empower autonomous, intelligent quality engineering at scale. Today, TestMe AI's AI Agentic Unified Platform powers end-to-end quality engineering for over 3 million developers and testers worldwide. In fact, we have users joining in from near about 100 plus countries across the globe. And we help teams to basically shift faster and build with more confidence. The reason why I'm telling this background today is because we want to make sure that we are thanking you, because this is the first event that we are doing under the umbrella of TestMe AI. And if you're wondering why the name TestMe AI, it came directly from you, that is our community. Since 2022, the TestMe conference has been the industry's primary forum for AI and quality engineering. When the community built something this powerful, it made sense for us to carry that name forward into the platform itself. So, again, a bit of the background for the Spartan Summit that we are hosting today. We launched the Spartans program 3 years ago as a commitment to the developer and quality community that we would always create spaces for you to learn directly from practitioners. People who have rebuilt pipelines, killed flawed processes, and even found real solutions under real pressure. As the program grows into TestMe AI Spartans program, that commitment only deepens. Spartan Summit is where this mission gets personal for all of us. The Spartans, if you know the background, right, they weren't the largest army, but they were the sharpest, trained to the edge, grounded in craft, unafraid of hard problems. And that's exactly why you would see some great folks logged in today as speakers. We are in that innings of the agentic AI era, wherein AI is no longer just a tool that you prompt. It plans, it executes, it embeds in your entire development and quality engineering workflow. So for developers, your code is being reviewed, completed, and of course deployed with AI in the loop. And for quality engineers, the test generation, failure analysis, and even coverage decisions are increasingly being driven by AI. So the question every professional here needs to answer is, am I leading this shift or am I being swept by it? And we hope that through Spartan Summit sessions today, you're able to know exactly that. Highly insightful sessions with leaders who are actively navigating this landscape. No fluff, no theory, just insights that you can act on. And what do we have in store today? So we have 5 sessions, one workshop, and a panel discussion. Uh, Quick note to all the people who are joining us: please make sure that you're sharing your learnings on social media with the hashtag Spartan Summit and tag the speakers and TestMe AI handle. Make sure that you're using the chat box to ask questions, share your thoughts with the speakers directly. As I conclude, right, one day, one community, real insights for the era that's already here. Spartans 2026 starts now, and let's start with the first session of the day, welcoming Ionis and Sparsh. Once again, everyone, welcome to Spartan Summit 2026, and I hope you have a great time. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kavya, for the wonderful opening note and setting the stage for today. And thank you all for joining us today. And hello, everyone, and welcome to Spartan Summit 2026. I'm Sparsh Kesri, Senior Developer Relations Engineer at TestMe AI, and I will be your host for this session today. Our first session today explores one of the most important questions in the age of AI. As AI agents, Gen AI, and autonomous systems have become bigger part of software development lifecycle, what truly happens to the role of human testers? Are we replacing process, or are we moving forward towards a powerful collaboration between human intelligence and machine intelligence? To help us explore this balance, we are joined by someone who has spent more than 16 years in shaping quality engineering across roles, from test automation manager to QA leaders. Please welcome Yanis Papadikis, head of QA at Snap. Yanis is also known for building high performance QA teams and driving a culture of continuous improvements across automation, modern testing practices, and strong team collaboration. He is also a frequent international speaker who enjoys practical insights from field and mentoring the next generation of quality engineers. Today, he will be presenting on the topic the symbiosis effect, AI and I. In this session, he will explore how testers can navigate an evolving relationship between artificial intelligence and human expertise. Hi, Anis, how are you?
Hello, everybody. I'm really great. Thanks. That it's really my honor that I'm starting the Spartan Summit 2026, and to be here with all the audience, and you know, we are witnessing the new era together with all the community members. Thank you.